Padmini from manglocity.in with another food wrapping video powered by Aruna Masalas, which is the best masala in Karnataka. Since it's a weekend today, I thought I'll order a combination of fish, chicken and mutton. Okay, so this I ordered from CKK Kitchens of Maharaja, which is located at Managutta, heart of Mangalore City. So let's see what we have today. So in chicken, I ordered chicken roast chili, which is a little on the spicier side. I can see a lot of green chilies, capsicum. I can get the aroma of ginger garlic paste, soya sauce, and here we have chicken 88, which is a dry item, complete dry item with a lot of cashews in it. Okay, so let's see how this tastes. Okay, so the chicken roast chili is very spicy, and for spice lovers like me are definitely going to love this dish because I can get the taste of green chilies, ginger garlic paste, soya sauce with a lot of the spice that I can get on my tongue. So this dish is definitely recommended for all the spice lovers in Mangalore. And let's see what we have here. So this is chicken 88. Amazing. Even though it's not very spicy, it has a great taste. It's a little on the sweeter side with a lot of cashew nuts in it. This dish is definitely recommended for people of all age, including kids as well as senior citizens, because since it's not spicy, it's going to be definitely what can I say? It's definitely going to be one of a treat for the people. So let's see what we have in seafood. Now let's see what we have in seafood. So I love crab, and I ordered for crab ghee roast. Okay, so now when you look at this, you may be thinking, is this really crab ghee roast? Yes, eating crab in a restaurant can get messy. That's the reason CKK gives you crab meat ghee roast, which is one of a kind, and it's not available in most of the restaurants in Mangalore. So let's see how the crab meat ghee roast tastes. Let me serve all the seafood first and then taste them one by one. Okay, this smells delicious. The aroma of the ghee and the masalas is just too good. Here is the prawns koli vada. Okay, so this is a deep fried prawns dish. And here we have, so here is pomfret tandoori, locally called as manji. Okay, so normally manji or pomfret, when we order for tawa fry or masala fry. But here is tandoori, pomfret tandoori, which is quite a unique dish. And I have definitely not tasted a fish tandoori so far. And this is really exciting me because the size of the fish on the first place is quite big, and I can get the aroma of the tandoor, the fish and the masalas, a little bit of lemon as well as some coriander leaves sprinkled on it. So I can't wait for any longer. Let me try this. I'm sure the thought of having a fish tandoori is exciting all of you. So first let me try the crab ghee roast, crab meat ghee roast to be precise. So after tasting this dish, I am definitely sure that eating crab definitely won't be so messy in CKK. The prawns koli vada. Very nice. Neither too spicy nor too bland. This deep fried prawns dish is something different, not from the usual prawns tawa fry. And now for the signature dish of the day, the pomfret tandoori. Oh God, this is amazing. The tawa fry or the masala fry is in its place, but the tandoori is definitely the best, I can say. And this has made my day, my weekend. And I have to say, this dish has to be tasted by each one of you, each fish lover in Mangalore. And I definitely recommend this to every person in Mangalore, be it a child or an adult or a senior citizen, because this dish is neither too spicy nor too bland, and it's quite a unique kind of a dish. Just imagine the taste of a tandoor for a fish. The fish is cooked very well, it is fresh, and it is really, really good. So guys, what are you waiting for? Go to CKK and eat the fish delicacies, which are amazing. So after the starters, let me go for the main course, for which I have ordered mutton green roast biryani. So people have tried green ghee roast biryanis, but a green roast biryani is something different, for me at least. So they have quite big piece of the mutton. Okay, so I can get the aroma of the ghee, the well cooked rice, the spices, the garam masala. So let me taste. I can't wait more. Okay, so here's the green masala. Amazing. Green roast biryani is definitely going to be in my list next time when I visit CKK. Let me taste the piece of mutton. The mutton is very, very well cooked, very soft, very juicy, and the masalas have been blended well with the mutton. And yes, I think I was not a fan of mutton biryani till date, but today, after eating the green roast mutton biryani from CKK, I definitely have become a fan of mutton, I can say. So after the main course, I have even ordered for a dessert, that is firni from CKK. Okay, as you can see, they have topped it with some dry fruits. Wow. So after one amazing food, a dinner, lunch, a dessert is a must, and at CKK, along with two yummy starters, yummy main course, you even have a yummy dessert. Yummy, yummy. So well, Goli Soda has been the favorite of Mangaloreans, and at CKK I found this Goli Soda and I ordered for one. So now I'm trying to open it in the traditional way. So wish me luck. Yes, I did it. So the Goli Soda. The Moita flavored Goli Soda is also yum. So this has been a complete meal, a superb meal from CKK, Kitchens of Maharaja. I definitely would recommend you guys to go and try out this food at CKK. Yes, ordering is one of a good experience, but I think going to the restaurant and having your food at CKK is going to be definitely a real amazing experience for all of you. I will definitely recommend this place to all my friends, family. I'll take my people over there and I'll have another great meal at CKK. So this unwrapping video has been brought to you by Aruna Masalas, remember, which is the best masala in Karnataka. So now after this yummy food, I'm going to head to Paba's and end my day. So have a great weekend, guys. Thank you.